Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amirul, and today I would like to present about green technology and sustainability. Did you know what does green technology means? Green technology refers to a category of technology focused on its manufacturing process or its supply chain that is considered environmentally friendly. Green technology may also apply to the production of renewable energy, which is the production of clean energy by using alternative fuels and technologies that are less environmentally damaging than fossil fuel. Apart from that, what does sustainability mean? Sustainability means fulfilling our own needs without jeopardizing future generations' ability to meet their own needs. We will need social and economic capital in addition to natural resource. The principle of sustainability is made up of three important pillars, which are economic, environmental, and social pillars that are often informally known as benefit, earth, and people. In this slide, I will tell you how can we apply green technology. The first thing first is by doing recycle. There are many things that we can recycle, such as paper, glass, plastic, and metal. The other is refuse, which is refusing to use any fossil fuels in your daily life. And then renew, by using renewable energy such as coal, wind, and water. After that is reduce. You need to reduce your waistline, such as reducing the plastic bottle, glass, which can be recycled, and then reuse. The first thing you need to do in reuse is reusing your water bottle. As an example, if you want to apply green technology in your daily life. In this slide, I will tell you the 5 classification of renewable energy. The 5 classification of energy are solar energy, water energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, and lastly, wind energy. These 5 classification of renewable energy could reduce the use of fossil fuel, and instead, this classification of energy could also produce electricity in a healthier way instead of using fossil fuel. Now we will go through the first renewable energy, which is solar energy. Solar energy is radiant light and heat from the sun that is harnessed using a range of ever-evolving technologies. Examples are solar heating, photovoltaics, solar thermal energy, solar architecture, molten salts power plant, and artificial photosynthesis. It is most suitable used for people who has good sun ray around their house compound. If this energy is applied in Malaysia, it will only cost 55 cents per kilowatt. It is a good renewable energy because it reduces the use of fossil fuel to generate electricity. The next energy is wind energy. Wind energy refers to the process of creating electricity using the wind or air flows that occur naturally in the Earth's atmosphere to provide mechanical power through wind turbine, to turn electric generators, and traditionally to do other work like milling or pumping. Modern wind turbines are used to capture kinetic energy from the wind and generate electricity, most suitable to be used by people who live at the seashore. Only 8% per kilowatt if it is applied in Malaysia rather than 43% per kilowatt if using electricity that got from fossil fuel. The next energy is tidal energy. Tidal energy is produced through the use of tidal energy generators. These large underwater turbines are placed in areas which have tidal movement. They are designed to capture the kinetic motion of the ebbing and surging of ocean tides in order to produce electricity. It is most compatible to be used by people who live in an island. The cost of electricity is about 62 cents per kilowatt if it is applied in Malaysia. Apart from that, there are also geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is the heat that comes from the subsurface of the Earth. It is contained in the rocks or fluid beneath the Earth's crust and can be found as far down to the Earth's hot molten rock and magma. These are three types of geothermal power plants, which are dry steam, flash, and binary. It is most compatible to be used by people who live around a volcano surrounding. About 30 to 40% cost reduction for electricity if this kind of energy is used to replace fossil fuel that produce electricity. Last but not least, there are also water energy. It is also known as hydroelectric energy. Hydroelectric energy is the most commonly used renewable source of electricity. The top producer is China. Other top producers of hydropower around the world include the United States, Brazil, Canada, India, and also Russia. Because the water cycle is an endless, constantly recharging system, hydropower is considered a renewable energy. When flowing water is captured and turned into electricity, it as the conclusion, basically, green technology is a huge help to the environment. All you have to do is 5R, which is reduce, refuse, reuse, recycle, and renew. The main purpose of green technology is to slow down global warming and reduce the greenhouse